Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover Australian dollar versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with Australian dollar versus US dollar first. So what I found here basically is the breakout of this is more like a sandwich triangle with building higher lows and then having the flat resistance here. The market actually, we had a breakout this morning, so market took this multi-hour range, and in that sense, this is on the breakout from this pattern, basically from this range. Now the thing here is the underlying resistance levels are heavy around this area. So we have our area around 0.6445, and then we also have the 0.645760 area. So there is an overall a heavy clustering on this in this area. So that's why I will be very careful around this breakout. This may work, and market may go higher, even another 20-30 pips or so to reach maybe an objective. But overall, this is a heavy cluster area, and so some of the scenario, for example, in case of the supply will kick in aggressively, is to come back to this rising trend line and area around swing lows at 0.6390 or 395. Of course, if the breakout will hold and we see higher prices, then we might see the test of the 0.6480 or even 500, 510 mark. So far, market is in a breakout and the demand is in control, but as I said, the heavy supply is present here, a heavy supply cluster. Speaking of the gold market, so let's go and take a look what we have here. The rising trend line, so market is breaking. We can see this trend line. Now the thing here is we spoke about yesterday as the key resistance area here. Yesterday market had also started to break out and then sold off aggressively. This morning also trying to re-break, but again underlying area of also previous swing lows and swing highs just here at 1900, 1904 free area. So even though there is overall a breakout of supply trend line, it's still for me and not that healthy breakout. How to say that? We didn't move to a significant. This is a significant cluster, and I would like to see more demand and stronger buying power in order for this to be some change of the trend behavior. But if we speak about some scenarios here, let's take a look. Of course, scenario just a breakout to continue overall, and then eventually to go towards the 1910 or 1915. That scenario of market will just keep with this upside movement. Scenario if we see the supply, if the supply will build around, then I would like to see rotation back into this range to 1897 or so, and then some lower prices for the market to go and retest the low at 1885 or so. Speaking of the crude oil market, I see the potential for the lower prices. This may be a completion of the ABC, like this area here. And at this point, market had a very narrow consolidation here. So seems like to me that market at least can trade towards the 79.50 or even 79.10 before any further bigger rally or something like that. So still overall in the last couple of days, market is trading in a downside environment. So this might be just a completion of ABC, a strong supply kick entered yesterday, and we might see this consolidation breakdown. If we see the reversal of any kind, like if market will reverse, and take the high at 80.75, then build the higher lows, then there is a chance for a new swing high towards the 82.12. And the Bitcoin versus US dollar market is in a heavy consolidation. So we established more like a rectangle kind of consolidation with a high at 26,330 and the low around 25,600 mark. Definitely would like to see either breakout of the to the upside for potential retest of the 27,000 mark. If market can break and hold above the resistance. From other side, if market can clear the low and hold below 25,500, of course there is a chance for the even price to go towards the 20,000 mark. Okay, that will be all, guys, for today. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good trading day and speak to you from tomorrow morning.